Hi guys, so we have Oppo A52 with us and it comes in a white box. We are going to unbox the device and see what it has to offer. So let's just open it and you find a protective transparent case. There's some documentation and SIM ejector tool as well. And obviously the device. And then you get Type-C charging cable, 18-watt fast charger, and the best part is you also get wired earphones with it, white colored earphones. So let's just talk about the device. So Oppo A52 has 4 cameras at the back and an LED flash right over here, Oppo branding at the bottom. This is 12 megapixel main camera, 8 megapixel ultra wide angle lens, 2 megapixel mono lens and 2 megapixel portrait lens. So while at the front you get a punch hole cutout right over here which houses a 16 megapixel selfie camera, and this is 6.5-inch full HD plus display. At the left hand side you get volume rockers and SIM tray, while on the right hand side you get power button which is also a fingerprint scanner. So Oppo A52 has Android 10 based on ColorOS 7.1. It has a dedicated game space as well for immersive gaming experience, while other settings option include screen recording, eye care mode, assistive ball, power saving mode, Oppo share and personal hotspot. That's about it. Thanks for watching.